Hey loves, in today's video I will be styling this hair, just getting it to look sleek and manageable. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. This isn't fast. I'll put a little music on. It's a little groove, a little vibe. So let's get into it.
But don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't the fake. Saying they love me but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty like Lauren with a big butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
Okay, so this is the final look of what the hair looks like. You could wear it up. You could do like plaits for the summer. You could get in the water with it. It came out really good. It's sort of thin. I don't know, these 2-packs, like you could tell they're cheating us on hair, but I like it because it's hot here. And like I said, I believe I'm going to add, I don't know if I told you guys, I probably cut that out of the clip. I'm going to add this blonde hair at some point. So this hair right here, it needs to be toned, but I'm thinking about adding a few streaks once I get it toned in. So if you're interested in that, just subscribe. It came out really pretty. I like it. And then it can just be worn in different ways, like so, but super flat, super natural looking. Don't come for me for my kitchen, but yeah, super flat, super natural looking, and I love it. It came out really, really pretty. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.